Hi, I'm Holly Powell, one of the Learning and Development coaches for the HR and L&D qualifications here at Riverside Training. The Learning and Development Consultant Business Partner is a Level 5 qualification that develops the knowledge, skills and behaviours of L&D professionals working in a broad range of business environments. An L&D professional is accountable for ensuring L&D contributes to and influences improved performance in the workplace to an individual, team and organisational level. In their daily role, they will interact with a range of stakeholders within their organisation and may already lead or aspire to lead a team of L&D professionals. They are agents for change, influencing key stakeholders, making decisions and recommendations on what the business can or should do in a learning and development context. They are also likely to lead on any learning and development related elements of business projects. An employee in this occupation will be responsible for applying their knowledge and expertise to lead, design, implement and evaluate the people policies and practices and align them to the needs of the organisation and its employees. They will link the work that they do to the context and strategic priorities of the business to measure the outcomes and impact of any learning interventions to demonstrate return on investment and expectation. For this qualification, apprentices will be expected to link the work they do with the learning outcomes in the apprenticeship standards. The duration of this apprenticeship is 18 months. An L&D professional will be the kind of person that can proactively seek opportunities and feedback to develop their business acumen, improve their overall performance and overall capability. They will probe and inquire to delve deeper into opportunities, options and solutions. They will have a desire to understand and experiment with new ideas and techniques, identifying areas for self and wider developments and improvements. They will act as a role model for learning within their organisation and across their networks. They will develop ideas, insights and solutions for divine business benefits. And they will be a role model for the learning and development profession, aspiring and galvanising others around them to take on learning solutions and ensure that learning is embedded and delivers ambitious goals, outcomes and timelines. As part of your learning, we will work together to develop your knowledge and skills to better understand the principles and practices as topics such as paradigms, theories, models that underpin effective adult learning and group behaviour, legislation and policies that influence learning and design, the merits of effective learning and delivery channels, as well as best practice and emerging thinking. We will look at wider business environment and how L&D solutions can be given to business challenges. The course typically takes 15 months until you are ready to move to endpoint assessment. Along the way, we will work alongside each other using teach sessions and a range of different assessment techniques, as well as building your understanding and your work-based learning journal. This will include some reflective journal inserts, professional discussions, formative observations, all of which you will put your newly developed skill sets into action. When it comes to your final endpoint assessment, I will coach you and guide you through your endpoint assessment project, and we will evidence how you intend to bring about an L&D solution to a business challenge. An independent assessor will then carry out a professional discussion based around your project and learning journal. Through our expert-led coaching, regular assessment and feedback, and dedicated one-to-one support at Riverside Training, we are committed to supporting every L&D practitioner to unlock their full potential.